Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. So, the Bears sold it off hard yesterday off the open. We ran it back down to that 1303, 1304 level, and they just, they ran it down to 1296 the other day. They couldn't hold it down there. We made a move back up. They tried to get it down again, but they couldn't get past 1204. We had a nice move in the room off of 1204 half into the close, and in the overnight we went down to test 1204 again and bounced off there right off just prior to the Europe Open, and we moved up as high as 1218, gave a little bit of that back, and then we just made a newer high around 8 o'clock just up above 1320. So, looking at this, you've got to take all your biases out. Whatever you think about the economy, whatever you think about the job market, whatever you think about the planet, you got to separate all that from what price and time are telling you about what's happening in any particular, and this goes, any particular equity or option or future, anything in the capital markets. And what the E-mini is telling me right now is that the Bears just cannot get it together enough to knock it down below 1303 for any extended period of time. And the Bulls, for whatever reason, and there doesn't have to be a reason, whether it's performance chasing or whatever it is, the Bulls are in control. We're making higher lows, and now we're making higher highs. The issue for me now is if we do run this back up to 1329.75. Is that going to leave a double top, or are we going to move up beyond it? So, starting this morning with the ADP report, anybody who's watched this webcast for any period of time knows how I feel about the ADP report. Okay, and that's all the time I'm going to spend on it. There was an ADP report. I don't even care what it was. I don't care what the number was. I honestly don't. Friday is jobs. If we continue to move higher, my feeling now is that the Bears have had their chance, and we're going to continue to move higher up through the end of the week, because the Bears are going to begin to look at this as an opportunity for them to get a better entry on a seldom news reaction to jobs or a bad jobs number. Okay, so at some point here, maybe it's already happened. The Bears are just going to get out of the way, let the Bulls have their fun for a couple of days, and they will. They'll make their stand at 8:31 on Friday morning Eastern time. So keep that in mind. If you're a bull, this backing and filling is good for you. And the issue becomes what happens when we get back up to 1330. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade is 1326 quarter. We'll do the upside first. 1317, 1321, 1325 quarter. 1329.75, 1333, and 1337. On the downside, 1313, 1308, 1304, 1301, 1298, and 1293. So use stops today. Be hedged. Things have been a little more volatile than they've been recently, so you need to be aware of that and just watch your positions. So this is Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. I will be back tomorrow morning with another market webcast. Trade them well.